and the medicine, a dedicated or 1 hour.
Can you see that my iPhone announces this particular color? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on announce calls in iPhone, and this is going to make use of your iPhone speakers. So if you're far away from your iPhone and there's an incoming call, you can easily identify the caller without even getting hold of your iPhone. So without much ado, I'm going to walk you through how to turn on announce calls in iPhone. That is my iPhone speaker caller ID when there is an incoming call. So this is simple, and this is what you need to do. Go to your iPhone settings by clicking on the settings tab on the home screen or in your app gallery. Once you're on the settings page, all you need to do is just scroll down and make sure you select Siri and search. So once you selected Siri and search, you need to come down to where you see announce calls and then tap on it. Under here, there are 4 options available. The first option is to always announce calls on your iPhone. The second option is to only announce iPhone calls on headphones and car. The third option is to let your iPhone announce incoming calls when you are using headphone. And the fourth option is to never announce calls. So now, to announce calls on your iPhone, all you need to do is make sure you select always. So this will bypass restriction for headphones and car or headphones only. So it will announce calls whether you're on headphone or not, or whether you're in your car or not. But if you choose never, it will never announce incoming calls on your iPhone. But since you're interested in how you can easily turn on announce calls on iPhone, what you need to do is check this. So once you check that and there is an incoming call to your iPhone, the call will be announced. So let's go ahead now and say this again. So I'm just going to call the contact on my iPhone, and you see,
And the medicine, a dedicated or 1 hour.
So this is going to announce the caller's ID or the caller's name, depending on what you use to save the caller on your iPhone. So guys, if this video is helpful, you want to hit the like button, of course, you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.